Hi, my name is Christian Harris of MonsterMortgage.ca. First and foremost, thank you very much for visiting our website. We hope we can help you with your mortgage needs moving forward. But I'm here to talk to you today about what you can expect from your consultation with your agent at MonsterMortgage.ca. And whether you're doing a Google Meet or a phone call, you can expect on the other end of that call is a friendly, knowledgeable mortgage broker. Our agents are the best in the business, and they're here to answer your questions. They're here to listen. They're here to guide you through the process. Whether you're a first-time home buyer looking to get into the market, or you're looking to buy your first investment property, maybe you have a mortgage and you want to take some equity out to renovate or do some debt consolidation or investments, or you simply have a mortgage coming due with one of the banks and you just want to make sure that they've offered you a competitive rate, our agents can help you with all of that and much more. So again, we're here to listen. If after the phone call you want to look and explore some options, our agents will send you an email. The email will ask you for a list of documents. Once they receive those documents, typically within a 48 to 72 hour period, they will come back to you and present what options are available for you. So once again, thank you for visiting our website. We hope we can help you with your mortgage needs.